Rule number one, never think it can't happen to you. Rule number two, never let them think you're a fool. Rule number three, never let another man know your plan. Rule number four, never let emotions weigh you down. Rule number five, never mix pleasure with business. I tell you no if you know, cause man me I dey talk from experience. Say rule number six, so never let them see you finish, oh. Rule number seven, never let a nigga know your next move. Yeah.